This is the Boyo Kirpinja's music production. They never left me till today. My dearest mom, rest in peace. On that painful night, on Mom's sick bed, watching life leave my mom right before my eyes. No hands holding mine, no voice to calm my cry. Just a little boy asking God why. But my whole world was dying as I watched her close her eyes. I hoped you'd see me grow tall, Mom, I hoped I'd see you grow. But sickness came like a thief at night. A mother's love is all I needed most. But all I have are tears, and you were gone forever. That day broke my childhood, stole my safest place. From that moment on, life became a fight. I saw kids laugh with mothers, walking side by side, while I learned how to walk alone. With tears I tried to hide, I swallowed all my needs, locked my pain inside. I hoped you'd see me grow tall, Mom, I hoped I'd see you grow. But sickness came like a thief at night. A mother's love is all I needed most. But all I have are tears, and you were gone forever. Some nights I sit in my room, crying till it's day, talking to the walls, wishing you'd answer me. The silence is the only thing that answers back again. I needed you when life was hard, when I lost my way, when I needed advice, when I needed someone to stay. Now I'm married with a family, children of my own, trying to give the love I wish I had known. Because I know what it feels like to lose the one you love most. But when night falls, I still fall apart. Because no matter how far life takes me through, there's a space no one can fill but you alone. Life is unfair, life is cruel. mother's love is all I ever wanted. But heaven called your name and you are gone forever. If tears could bring you back, I'd cry forever. I always love you, Mom. Rest in eternal